Hello, and welcome to week 5. We're just about halfway through this term. For the next month, we're going to be working on a research paper. Up until now, you've been reading about other people's ideas about social media, technology, and now I want to know what you think. You're going to craft your own argument, do research to support it, and turn in a research paper. This week, you're coming up with a proposal for it. I don't expect you to have an idea totally in mind now, but that's what we're going to be working on most of this week. What we've got is the same schedule, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, but now still a forum. Still, I want you to post things. I'm not so worried about word count this time, but I want you to post about what topic you're thinking about researching. Wednesday, I'll ask you to post what you're thinking. It doesn't have to be a concrete idea. It could be, I've got it between this and this, or I have no idea what I'm doing, but I want you to at least have a range of ideas. And then on Friday, I will ask you to comment on 2 of your classmates' ideas. You might be inspired, but you might find out somebody else is doing something. I have given you some ideas, possible topics for your papers right here. You might want to think about your career interests. A lot of you are going into the medical field. Telemedicine has become a very, very important thing even before the pandemic. What do you think about that? Some of you are parents. What do you think about parental controls over social media? Some of you are gamers. What about gaming? Is it good? Is it bad? What parts of it are good? What parts of it are bad? You can define social media any way you want to. It doesn't have to be Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. It can be email. It can be gaming. It can be any form of technology. So, you might think also of the privacy aspects as we were looking at in the circle. And what about Ring doorbells? What about the privacy issues there? What about smart houses? What do you think about all of that? If you like the book, you might want to write about the book. Maybe compare it to the movie. Maybe not. Maybe compare it to something else, 1984. Anything you want, that's fine. I am asking for you on Sunday night. Your written thing will be a proposal that you'll send to me. I've got very specific questions. I don't just want the topic. I want a possible hypothesis, a possible thesis. What do you think you're going to argue about your subject matter? Have you done any research on it? You might want to start doing that this week. Just looking around and seeing if there's any information on whatever topic interests you. And then the other thing I'm doing that's new this week, I've divided y'all up into groups for peer editing. Many of you have done peer editing before in face-to-face classes, but we're not face-to-face, are we? So I'm asking you will share in a couple of weeks your rough draft through Google Docs. So I've given you the groups. Please check to see if you're listed. Check to see if your name is spelled right. A lot of people have trouble with my name, so I want to be very careful to get your name spelled right. And then you might want to contact your group members just to say, hey, I'm here. If you don't have time this week, don't worry about it. You can do it next week. No problems whatsoever. Anyway, good luck this week. I want to know what you're thinking. I want to know about your ideas. And let me know if I can help.